how to find your page available hours settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your page available hours settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find here pages and then select your page, and here just click about and then select here this one. You will find it, click on it, and here you can manage it and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.